Imagine a house built in just one day. This is no longer a dream, thanks to the wonders of three-dimensional printing technology. In a remarkable feat of engineering, the world's first three-dimensional printed house was constructed in under 24 hours, marking a paradigm shift in the construction industry. This incredible achievement opens up a world of possibilities for building faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. The use of three-dimensional printing in construction is still in its early stages, but it holds immense potential to address some of the world's most pressing housing challenges. Three-dimensional printing a house is like creating a large-scale sculpture with a giant robotic arm. This robotic arm follows a computer-designed blueprint to precisely layer a special type of concrete, much like squeezing toothpaste from a tube. Layer by layer, the walls rise up, creating the structure of the house. The concrete used in this process is not the same as traditional concrete. It is a specially formulated mixture designed to harden quickly and bond strongly, allowing for rapid construction without compromising on strength and durability. The speed of construction is one of the most significant advantages of three-dimensional printing. Building a house in 24 hours dramatically reduces labor costs and construction time. This technology also generates less waste compared to traditional building methods, making it environmentally friendly. Another major advantage is the design flexibility offered by three-dimensional printing. Architects and designers have much greater freedom to create unique and complex shapes, allowing for more innovative and aesthetically pleasing homes. The potential applications of three-dimensional printing in construction extend far beyond just building single-family homes. This technology has the power to revolutionize affordable housing by providing quick and cost-effective solutions. Imagine using three-dimensional printing to rapidly build shelters for disaster relief, providing immediate housing for those who have lost their homes. The ability to quickly construct durable and safe structures on-site makes three-dimensional printing an invaluable tool in emergency situations. In conclusion, three-dimensional printing technology is poised to revolutionize the construction industry. It is not just about building faster and cheaper, it is about building smarter and more sustainably. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications, shaping the future of buildings and cities around the world.